Are you ready to let go of stress and pressure and keep calm and peaceful through the holidays? Join us on this jolly Jasper crystal guided meditation and keep up your spirits with cheer and joy. To prepare for the meditation, choose a calm, tranquil space, or even a space in a festive setting like near the Christmas tree or in your recreational room. Gather your Jasper stones and jewelry and have a glass of water and a set of Moki marbles or your favorite grounding stones within reach for after the meditation. The holidays are here. You are ready for fun. You are ready to let go of the stressful parts of the holiday celebrations. You are ready to fully immerse yourself in the spirit of festivity and joy. Hold your Jasper stones in your hands. Feel them buzzing with life. Jasper is the center of the party, the stone that knows how to have fun. It is ready to teach you how to remain calm and grounded to maximize your holidays like the rock star you are. Begin by focusing on your breath. Feel it go in and out. With each inhale, imagine a cool peppermint breeze entering your body and flowing through your veins. Feel fresh, calm, and content. With each exhale, release the cumbersome train of thoughts running relentlessly through your mind. If your mental engine is racing at 100 miles an hour, envision it slowing down by 50% with each breath out. Eventually, the train moves so far out into the distance that it disappears into the horizon. Continue to breathe in this calm and cool energy, relaxing your muscles and releasing your brain. You live in a world of duality. It is hot and cold, dark and light, happy and sad. Similarly, there are pros and cons to every holiday. Your experience often depends on which parts you are focusing. For example, when the new year arrives, are you stressed about the resolutions you have made for yourself? Or are you pumped up about the opportunity for new beginnings? When Valentine's Day is approaching, are you sad and soppy about being single? Or are you ready to celebrate all the meaningful people in your life? When your family gathering is coming up, are you dreading having nothing to say to your difficult uncle? Or are you joyously awaiting reconnecting with your awesome aunt? Your Jasper stones are here to turn your mind towards the best aspects of the holidays. Sure, the hard parts still exist, but your focus will be on the positive. Now think about one holiday or event that is approaching. It can be an official holiday, like Christmas or Easter, or an upcoming birthday, reunion, or anniversary. Once you have picked your event, keep breathing and enjoy this state of relaxation with your Jasper stones buzzing in delight. The singing bowl indicates your time to journey for however long you wish. Every experience has its many sides and stories. The holiday you have picked to focus on today may create some sort of anxiety for you. Some common stresses related to holidays are things like shopping expenses, interacting with difficult friends or relatives, or being self-conscious of your looks and status. Now imagine a large, colorful, festive, hot air balloon landing in front of you. It is made of real Jasper gemstones. There is a large passenger basket attached to the giant balloon. You are now going to extract every negative thought you have about your upcoming holiday and remove it from your brain. Place these unwanted thoughts in the hot air balloon basket. Take this time to reflect on any stress you feel about your holiday. It may be obvious, or it may be something hidden deep within. Imagine extracting each negative thought from your mind and placing it in the hot air balloon. All your fears and worries have now been unloaded from your body and packed into the Jasper hot air balloon. Jasper doesn't want you to be bogged down by these negative thoughts, so it is about to launch off the ground and deliver these destructive ideas into a black hole far above the earth. Watch as your hot air balloon begins to ignite. Fire spouting out the sides as bright as red jasper. It slowly lifts off the ground and drifts higher and higher into the sky. The farther away the hot air balloon is, the lighter and lighter you feel. Your dread and worry are being taken far away. What sweet relief to be rid of those frantic thoughts. You are ready to focus on the fun and festive parts of your upcoming holiday. That's the way it was always meant to be. Now imagine yourself turning around. Behind you is the place that you will be celebrating the holiday. Is it a home, restaurant, venue, park, some other place? Let your third eye envision your party space. As the details become clearer, your enthusiasm begins to build. Now you are ready to focus on the positive aspects of this holiday. You are going to make a mental list of all the wonderful experiences you are going to have. Some common good feelings that revolve around holidays include time with loved ones, giving and receiving gifts, and eating delicious food. You are going to think of one thing at a time. Not only are you going to think about it, but you are going to feel the joy that is associated with each positive element of the holiday. And for every positive thing you can think of, one colorful Jasper party balloon will appear before you. Go ahead and think of the joyous things associated with your upcoming holiday now. Think it, feel it, and gather up as many Jasper party balloons as you can. Wow, look at you. You are the star of the party. Not only are you excited about the jolly experiences, but you are leading others to a good time as well. Take the jolly Jasper balloons that you have generated and imagine decorating your party space to feel bright, festive, and inviting. When you're done decorating, envision the holiday taking place. Imagine how happy everyone is thanks to the mood that you have created. You live in a world of dualities, but you choose which side to live in. You've chosen to be a holiday superstar, and it's turned out to be a success. You're no longer one of those Grinches or Downers raining on everyone's parade. You recognize the stressful parts of the holiday, but you don't focus on them. You focus on the fun, meaningful memories you are about to create. You are now ready to return to the real world and put your party skills into play. You're feeling excited about the upcoming holiday, and all holidays for that matter. Your Jasper stones are infused with a jolly spirit of joy. Anytime you need a pick-me-up, grab or gaze upon your crystal and feel your optimism expanding like a Jasper balloon. It elevates your mood to new levels. Give thanks to your Jasper stones for setting your mind on the right course. Whenever you see your Jasper stones, you will be reminded that the holidays were meant to be easy and stress-free. You are about to be counted up from 1 to 5, and at 5, you will be wide awake, pumped up with the holiday spirit. Begin with number 1, the root of all life. Feel your feet grounding back to the floor as you wiggle your toes. Number 2, you recognize and accept the duality of the universe. Feel your male and female energies come to balance as you adjust your hips and feel the blood flowing back into your body. Number 3, you appreciate the company in life. Feel flow of love energy rush to your heart and get in touch with your pulsing breath. Number 4, give thanks to all 4 seasons of the year. Start to think of all the wonderful things you're about to celebrate when you awaken. And finally, number 5, all of your physical senses come back to you. Open your eyes and conquer the world. After the meditation, your physical body may be buzzing with joy and your mental state in a happy place. Ease back to reality while enjoying this transition for as long as you can. Hold your Moki marble stones to anchor your energy back to earth and drink your water to ground your physical vibrations. If you enjoyed this jolly Jasper meditation, join us at Satin Crystals for additional guided meditations, monthly crystal horoscopes, positive affirmations, and a whole world of crystal healing gemstones. While you're there, join the Satin Crystals VIP Club for members-only specials throughout the year. We invite you to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button if you'd like us to make additional crystal healing videos. As always, thank you for your positive presence at Satin Crystals, and thank you for spreading the light in our world.